You want to learn Japanese?
I made video to make it easier. Please click the subscribe button and support my channel. Thank you so much. Today let's memorize the adverb of time.
Today,
今日、
tomorrow,
明日、
the day after,
明後日、
Yesterday,
昨日、
the day before yesterday.
おととい、
This week,
今週、
next week,
来週、
the week after,
再来週、
last week,
先週、
the week before last next,
先々週、
this month,
今月、
next month,
来月、
the month after,
再来月、
last month,
先月、
the month before last next. This year,
今年、
Next year.
来年、
The year after.
再来年、
last year,
去年、
The year before last next.
おととし。
Here's a bonus.
North.
北、
South,
南、
west,
西、
east,
東。